to Smithfit Friday number 41. So it's raining outside, and I think just as Sejal said, it goes in tune with the theme that we have for today. So today we have with us Nirupama ma'am, Nirupama Dhoble. So she is an aqua aerobic trainer, and she has had experience in this field for about 7 to 8 years, and she has been doing this in a number of private swimming pools as well as uh, public pools like the boat club, etc. So we have her here, and today she will be talking to us a little bit about how aqua aerobics and how the water environment, in fact, helps us to exercise better. And because of buoyancy of water, there is a low impact exercise that we do. So without injuring ourselves, we do a lot of exercise. So she is here to show us a few moves and to explain to us how these can be transferred into the water as well. So very soon expect him to do all these things in water as well. So over to you, Nirupama ma'am. So I hope you all are in comfortable clothing. So we don't have Katie's exercises today, but we have some aerobic moves to do. So you have to have a chair and something comfortable to wear. So let's go ahead. Over to Nirupama ma'am. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Rudrakshi. And thanks everyone who is present here. And we'll start the class. Today, I'll just, we are just taking the sitting position on the chair. And we're doing some few chair exercise. Otherwise, you can say it's a chair aerobics. So it's really, first you have to take a very, the chair, which one is sturdy. Then you can sit the edge of the chair. Okay. And the armrest, if there is no armrest, it's good. So without armrest, if you have a chair, you can use that one. And you sit in the edge of the chair. Then you can do it well. Are you okay? Everyone is ready? Then I'll start the music. Simple heel touch. You're touching your head forward, one more step. Nicely stretch your arm first in the front. Good going. Alternate heel, you are touching the front. Very good for more. Good, last 3. Last 2. And last 1. Now touch your toe. Tapping, tapping. Good going. Now stretch your arm nicely up. Like your fingers are going to touch the ceiling. Open your arm nicely. Very good, very good. Good going, good going. 4 more. Very good, last 3. Perfect, last 2. And last 1. Now simple total side. Just try to go on the beds. If you can hear the music well. Good going. Very good. Nicely stretch your leg. You feel the groins. Perfect, perfect. Now we'll change the arm move. Show your elbow. Show your elbow. Very good, very good. Perfect. Last 4. 4 more. 3. Last 2. And last 1. Now side bend simple. Jacks position. Jumping jacks. Very good. Perfect, perfect. Keep going. Keep doing. Widen your legs. 4 more. Slightly you just bend to the side. Right bend, left bend. 4 more. Last 3. Last 2. And last 1. Again heel. Again heel touch in the front. Arms are going to the side. Breathe out through your mouth. Throw the air out. Then you can maintain your stamina. You can sustain your stamina. Very good. Perfect, perfect. Good going. Last 4, last 4. Good. Come on. Last 3. Good going. Last 2. And last 1. Now go for cross tap, tapping cross. Cross your legs. Cross. Cross. You turn little bit to the sides. Little bit to the side. Turning little out. Perfect. Perfect. Keep doing. Good job. Good job. Good, good, good. Only last 4. Very good. Last 3. Nicely stretch your arm. Last 3. Last 2. Last 1. Again, jacks. Jumping jacks. Good going, good going. Do a little faster, then you can take your heart rate up. Very good, very good. Good going. 5 more. Perfect. 4 more. Last 3. Very good. Last 2. Last 1. Now leg extension move. Simple knee up, alternate. Come on, come on, lift your knee up more. Crunch your abs. You're folding your, crunching your abs, contracting your ab muscle. Good going. Very good, very good, very good. Yes, yes, yes. Good, good, good. Now we'll go repeat a move. Good, good, good. Exhaling through mouth. Good going, good going. Yes. 4 more. Good, last 3. Perfect, last 2. And last 1. Simple hill. Simple, you are raising your leg up. You can say it's a kick, otherwise a leg raise. Very good, very good. Raise your leg straight way up. Feel on your quads. Good going. Keep moving. Keep moving. I hope everyone is doing. Very good, very good, very good. Come on, come on, come on. Last 8. 7. 6. 5 more. 4 more. Good, last 3. Last 2. And last 1. Again, total side. Keep doing. Widen your leg more. Stretch it. Stretch it. Stretch it. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Good going. Good going. Very good, very good. Turn to the right and to the left. Little bit. Yes. Widen your leg. Good going. Perfect. 8 more. Good going. 7 more. And to last 6. 5 more. Only 4. Very good. Last 3. Last 2. And last 1. Again, toe touch. Nicely stretch arms. Toe touch in the front. Alternate leg. Good going. Very good. You can put a little dress in your move. Stretch your arm to the side. We keep changing the arms movement. Good, good. Bend a little bit. 4 more. Last 3. Last 2. Last 1. You're bending side. Stop your legs. Bend to the side. Try to touch your hip. Good going, good going. Feel on the side. 4 more. Good, last 3. Last 2. Now trunk twisting move. Ready everyone? Twist right, twist left. Even take your head behind. Push your head back. Look behind. Good going. Last 8. 7 more. Last 6. And 5. 4 more. Trunk twisting. You're twisting from your side, your best. Very good. 4 more. Good. Last 3. Last 2. And last 1. Now just take your arm behind and bend this way. Side bend again. You're pushing your elbow down towards the floor. Do how much you can. Very good. Keep doing. Exhaling through mouth. Yes. Push down. Push your arm down. Push your arm down. Your elbow down. Perfect. Perfect. Last 8. 7 more. Good. Last 6. Only 5. Good going. 4 more. Very good. Come on. Last 3. Perfect. Last 2. And last 1. Now nicely go. Yes. Bend forward. Bend forward. Bend forward. Move arms. Circulate movement. Yes. Yes. Now we'll change. The arms are going this way. The palms are upward. Yes. And something like a scooping. Feel your scoops. Push. Put your abdominal muscle in here. You're working on a core, your ab muscle. And always bend forward through your low back. Don't roll your shoulders. No hunching, no hunching. Keep doing, keep doing. No hunching. Excellent, excellent. Legs are together. Yes, very good. Last 8. Come on, crunch your ab, fold it. Pull in and bend forward. Only 4 more. Good, last 3. Perfect, last 2. Very good. And last 1. Excellent. Now exactly opposite. First you have to raise your arms up and it's like rowing, rowing, rowing. Good, again you're working on the abdominal muscle. Yes. Contract your ab. Pull your navel button in. Then you can bend forward. Navel in. Very good. Rowing, rowing. Perfect, perfect. Exhaling through mouth. When you bend forward, throw the air out through your mouth. Perfect, perfect. Come on. Last 8. Only 7. Good, last 6. Perfect. 5 more. Come on, last 3. Good going. Last 2. Perfect. And last one. Now again heel touch. Feel on the side. Good going, good going. Very good, very good, very good. Move this way. Little twisting. Good going, come on. Last 10. 9 more. Last 8. 7 more. Very good, last 6. 5 more. Good, last 3. Last 2. And last 1. Now simple up. Very good, very good. Again, you're working on the core, your ab muscle. Now lift your knee maximum up. It's a very challenging move. Just raise your knee how much you can. Raise your knee up how much you can. Come on. Exhaling through mouth. Very good, very good. Last 10, last 10. Perfect, 9 more. Good, last 8. 7, 6, 5, 4. Good, last 3. Last 2. And last 1. Now you're raising your legs together up in the strike side. You're holding the side of the chair and move this way. Nicely, just raise your knees up and landing. Pressing and landing on the floor. Together, they come in together. Very good, very good. Come on. Last 10. Good, 9. Last 8. Very good. 7 more. Come on, 6. Come on, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Now just go for a simple tapping. Simple tapping. Very good, very good. Keep doing, keep doing. Yes, yes, yes. Last 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, good, last 3, last 2, and last 1. Now we'll go for the stretches. Everyone get ready. We'll go for the next stretch first. Other side. Now you're pushing your head down, your chin is touching the collarbone. Now head push it up. Very good. Now for your shoulder. Rotation clockwise. Good going. Other way. Very good, very good, very good. Only last one. Excellent. Now go for a shoulder stretch. Stretches are almost same. What do you do after you exercise? The static stretches. Perfect. Now we'll go for a tricep stretch. You're pushing your one arm down with the support of other. Very good. Take your arms down. Now slightly just turn back from the side. Other side. Good. Now widen your legs. Widen your legs and just go for this stretch. This is even good for your lat. And in the groins, same time, your best. Perfect. Now touch the floor. Touch the floor. Good, good, good. Very good, very good. 1, 2, 3. Raise your arms both up. Now take your walk in, walk in. Very good, very good. Now we'll go for a leg stretch. Perfect. Other side. Good. Now half chair position. You're giving the nice stretch to your, even the hamstring, your side, your quad. Everywhere. Push your knee little down. This one is called a chair position. Perfect. Go for other side. Push your knee down, press your knee downwards. Perfect. Now we'll go for ankle stretch. Flex and toe. Flex and toe. Flex, toe. Flex, toe. Very good. Now rotation clockwise 4. Other way 4. Excellent. Go for other. Flex and toe. Good going. This one is good stretch for ankle. Ankle joint. Perfect. 4 counts clockwise, 4 counts anti-clockwise. Excellent. Now take your arms again up. There's a last stretch. Now you are just pressing your palm on each other. This is really good for this part. Very good, very good. And then release. Thank you so much. We are done. Thank you.
I would I would like to know from everyone how did you feel this? How was this experience for all of you? Just till the time she comes back.
Yeah, I'll just come.
You know, I have a friend, Sonia Chandrachur, probably Nirupama would know. So we've been doing a lot of aqua aerobics, but generally, you know, between March and June. So I freaked out. I loved it. And her instructions were very good. And sitting on the chair and being comfortably doing it was absolutely great.
Thank you, Priya ma'am. Anybody else who has done this type of sitting aerobics, chair aerobics? And how was this experience for you?
This is
We would
first
love
time
to know.
Rudrakshi for me. This was excellent, Evan.
I'm
It
not
just
alone.
energy levels have gone up like this. Awesome.
Indeed.
I would love to do it in pool.
Wonderful, wonderful. Yes, we have some new faces here, and we would like to know from them as well. Madhavi ma'am, hello, welcome.
Hello, madam. Hello, madam.
Hello,
Madam, welcome.
good to see you.
Oh.
Okay, so
I'm
I'll
like-
just
Rudrakshi.
yes.
Hi,
Yes, Ruby ma'am.
Rudrakshi. Yeah,
Hello,
I actually, good evening. I actually did not do because last 2 days I'm not feeling little well. But
Oh,
I was
okay.
sitting and watching. It was really very interesting to see most of the the exercises were related to normal yoga. But on a chair, it was really interesting to see others doing. And with music, I think people were enjoying doing it, so it added more interest for others. And I'm sure it's something new that I have seen, meaning in what Priya said, I've seen Sonia teaching these ladies, so aqua I've seen, but on the chair first time, and it was really very well done, very well. So I
Thank
can
you, Ruby
try
ma'am.
it
Thank
out.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. So it was
Yeah.
like a Bollywood dance class, but everybody's sitting and doing it.
Yeah, especially people who don't, meaning they don't want to do it, while standing or have some problem or something. Then on the chair also they can do some bit to keep themselves physically fit.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely. Correct point that you've made. So you can exercise even when you have some knee pain, maybe upper body can be used. If you have
Yeah,
some shoulder or elbow pain, maybe you
right.
can use the lower body as well. And
Correct.
because you are seated, you have that comfort. So you don't have
Yeah,
to exert yourself. So this was also a low impact exercise.
right.
And when we do this in water, it will be almost zero impact
Yeah,
because of buoyancy.
yeah.
So I'll
With
just like
water.
to yes, I'll just introduce to the new members who are here the concept of our Friday weekly session because some of you might not know about these. So we have these Smithfit Friday weekly events where we have fun sessions like these, but we also have some learnings to take away from every session. So it is about fitness, they are about nutrition. We do exercises in the beginning and we also interact with our participants. And sometimes we also have experts, like today we have Niru ma'am. So we have experts coming in and sharing their insights, and there are activities involved in almost every session, so that the engagement is the best. So love to see this group over here. Wonderful, almost 30 participants today. So it's
Ah.
wonderful energy and enthusiasm. Just love it.
Great. I'm
Niru
glad.
ma'am,
Yes, I'm ready. I'm
you
glad.
are back. Okay, wonderful.
Yeah,
So yes, over to you.
definitely go in water. Okay. To do the
Yes,
exercise. I hope
definitely.
everyone has enjoyed the chair exercise, chair aerobics. It was
Yes, absolutely.
आणि सगळ्यांचे आता हॅपी हार्मोन्स क्रिएट झाले असतील नाईस सो यू आर रेडी टू हिअर नुसतं ऐकायला कंटाळा येतो ना सो बेटर इफ यू जस्ट डू सम एक्सरसाइज यू फील बेटर yeah so today and thank you so much Dr. Rudrakshi and every team member
Absolutely.
who is here. Thanks for giving me the opportunity to talk about my favorite subject, and I really love, I'm very much passionate about aqua exercise. So whenever people ask me to talk about this or say something, I'll be very happy. Okay, so last 10 years, I'm taking aqua exercises in Pune. So, but I'm in the fitness industry from last 21 years. So all of a sudden what happened, I don't know. The water is very inviting and I said, no, I just go and take aqua workout and aqua exercise. I want to be in water. So that's why I started this one. And this is really amazing, very happy filled. I'm telling you, the person who is doing also and the teaching also. So definitely I'll look after, looking forward to see you all in the pool whenever the pool will start. Okay, so I'll just give you the 10 reasons why you have to do aqua exercise. Because mostly whenever you are just following your routine, exercise routine, whatever, aerobics, Zumba, Pilates, power yoga, then people ask why aqua exercise, why it's needed. If we are doing this, we are doing that. But I'm telling you the 10 reasons why to do the exercise in water. Okay. And after certain age, I can say after 50, aqua exercise is very safe. And it's really like there is no risk and you enjoy it. Same time, you're enjoying the exercise very well. Even if you're doing more than an hour, you feel like you're not done everything. But that satisfaction and that results, good results, of course, you'll get it. So the first reason is buoyancy. Because of the buoyancy, why water is safe? Because of the buoyancy. The buoyancy means you know the uplifting force in water. So force is against the gravity. So whenever you are entering the pool, you feel like your weight is, you feel like you're very light. My weight is only like, you feel like 10% weight of your original weight, present weight. So there is like, you really feel nice because then you can move easily. Your joints, there is no impact on your joints, especially your knee joint, your ankle joint, and your hip joints. And it's depend again on the depth of the pool wherever you are standing. Basically, I suggest to stand in the chest water because here what happened, then you are doing maximum, and even though you are getting maximum benefit of the water. Okay, even the neck level also, the people who are expert, or I can say it's they are used to. Okay, after certain time. So that's the first point, and it's what I say. It's a very ideal for aging also. It's very safe, and even same time you are doing the good intensity exercise, and you're getting very good results. So and yeah, the second point is balanced and muscle joints. Okay, balanced and muscle joints. All over water resistance giving you the good exercise for your opposite side of muscles. What happened whenever you're in water? The resistance is there. Water resistance is there. So your each and every muscle, not even major, your minor muscle also working well because constantly they are fighting against the resistance. So it's like a very good strength training. And you are just doing the same time for your opposite muscle, antagonist, what you say. So if you are working on my bicep, the same time my tricep also getting involved. So whenever we'll do the exercise in water, same time I'm working on my bicep and tricep, my quadriceps and my hamstring. Examples. So here what happened, then you can work very well. Okay, And then that's why the balancing is very easily you can balance, and even the muscles are getting stronger, so you can balance well. Even the outside also, when you go, you feel my both of muscles, my opposite muscles are nicely equally strong, and the strength is there. Chances of gravity, so there is no risk. And even same time you can do the high intensity workout. Even you can jump well there. I have members whose age is around 65, 75, and they can jump inside. Whenever I say jump, they can jump for 20, 100 also. Till 100 they can jump without any risk and without any damaging. They are not damaging themselves. And that's why the intensity level is higher, so you're burning more. So same time, the weight loss is also happening, and very nicely without any impact. Then the cross training. This is the one more point. It's a cross training exercise. Cross training exercise means you are doing the, you're changing the body positions and do the exercise. In the water, you can change the body positions very well. Okay, you can do the some moves are like a prone. This is called a prone position. This is called a supine position. So you are doing the lying exercise. You are doing the you are lying on tummy. You are lying on the back. Even you can do the sideways. You're keeping your body one side, and you can do the exercise. The body position you can keep is vertical, body position you can keep it horizontal, diagonal. Of course, sometimes you're using the props, the device, which is a floating device. They are helping you to change the body position. So cross training, whenever you are doing the cross training, again, you're working on each and every so many muscles together. And that's why, again, you're burning more calories. And again, you are getting the strength, the muscle endurance very well, because you're working on each and every, it's a whole body workout. You are working on each and every body part in the water. And you really feel like I done everything, each and every, you're making each and every muscle satisfied. So that's the main thing. And again, what I said for aging also is really good, and again helping to lose the weight. So that's the main thing. Then we can just go the point on the injury and recovery. Yeah, the people who are really get, unfortunately get injured because of any other things like accidents or any other thing, whatever it's happened. Okay. So that time what happened, the person who is used to for exercise every day, and all of a sudden agar injury ho gaya, and doctor said, no, now you can stop, you stop your exercise, you cannot move, you cannot do this and that time the person is really getting irritated, so because he's really used to do the exercise. So that time the water is really good, very supportive, very cushioning. So when you go to the water, you can do the exercise very well. And even here, the range of motion is always more, because what I said, your body weight is only 10%. So simply if I raise my hand up this much, the water is helping me to raise it up. So my joint, shoulder joint, flexibility increased, the range of motion increased. So that is also one best benefit, and the person can do without any risk and without any problem. They can go and do the person, and the recovery is faster. Even doctor is also always recommend the water exercise. You must be heard about this. So that is also there. And same point, there is what I said, that there is no impact. The joints are very safe, and you can do the exercise, whatever the recommended exercise the doctor is or the physiotherapist recommend the exercise, that you can do it easily. So that is the one point. And the other point is a very supportive environment. You really, when you take a practical experience, you feel like, see, my uncle is here, Mr. Suresh Deshpande, and my uncle is very fond of aqua exercise. He always keep asking me how to do, and his age is around 80 years, and he keep doing. He always go to the pool and in the water, and he's doing some few exercises, which one is I suggest, and he really enjoyed, and he's very happy, and he's always saying, Cam, see, my posture is also still, I stand straight, my back is upright. And even whenever the person, the friends are always saying him, Arey, wah, your posture is very good, you're looking fit. So that's the thing. So yeah, the supportive environment, what I say, it's basically in the summer it's very famous. But the thing is, there are people who like to do the throughout year also. Summer, it's a very cool and chilling, and you are just maintain the body temperature. It's very it's very difficult to do otherwise. You know, but it's a very heat is there and the temperature is very high. Then you can maintain the body temperature very well, and even that's why you feel really good. Summer ज़्यादा हमको पता नहीं चलती गर्मी. The people are really going to enjoy the workout in the summer. They said, "अरे हमको गर्मी पता ही नहीं चल रही है," and even they are getting sound sleep. So that is also main benefit, the main good thing. So and yeah, what I said, it's a very supportive. So there is no risk of falling. Okay. त्यामुळे मी पडीन का वगैरे एक्सरसाइज करताना मला भीती वाटते किंवा वगैरे तर खरंच तसं वाटत नाही. And the person is non-swimmers also can do this exercise. And whenever they are in the beginning, for beginners, I always tell them to stand close to the wall, okay, near the wall. And of course, the bars are also there. Hold the bar and do the exercise. So they are quite comfortable. You know, after 2-3 sessions, they feel like, yeah, I can manage and I can do the things very well. So automatically, after a few sessions, they are doing, enjoying, and they are only leaving the wall and they are trying to come in the center a little bit. So that's why I'm saying the water is very supportive, and this exercise is really very good to everyone for a non-swimmers also. And even the confidence level increased. What I said, even one of my member is also around 76, and I always keep watching because he's last 10 years he's working with me. He's my client. He's my member. So whenever I just notice, it's a very noticeable. His posture has improved, and even the walking after the knee surgery, knee replacements. He said कि I'm really feel like कि अभी मुझे लगता ही नहीं कि मेरा कुछ operation हुआ था. Confidently, उनका confidence also increased to even stand outside, even walk, and even go, even the hiking also. Hiking पण करतात ते, आणि he said की माझा confidence level खूपच वाढलाय because of the aqua exercise.
Niruma,
And
can I just
yeah,
interrupt you for a second?
sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I just ask you one question here?
Uh-huh.
So I wanted to ask you if there are any specific exercises in water for somebody who is suffering from hypertension or diabetes, or does it benefit even these individuals?
Yeah. Yes. Basically,
Is it allowed for them, and does it benefit them in a specific way?
Water exercise allow for everyone in each and any condition. Water exercise allowed. आणि हायपरटेन्शनचं प्रॉब्लेम ऍक्च्युली काय आहे, आपलं ब्लड प्रेशर सुद्धा आपण कंट्रोल करतो. आणि इवन द डायबिटिक यू सेड यू आर जस्ट कंट्रोलिंग द वॉटर शुगर लेवल, बिकॉज बेसिकली काय होतं, वेन यू आर डुईंग द एक्सरसाइज आउटसाइड द रिस्क पुन्हा आहेच सगळ्यातच, आणि इवन so when you're in the water is support. They can do it easily. Just I'm giving them 2-3 sessions का time, थोड़ा सा comfort होने में, थोड़ा सा friendly होने के लिए with the water. But then after that, they are enjoying the workout, and your stress level, your stress relieves because of the water. So people who are doing this, they are really forget everything about the worries and all. Why I'm just saying so much, because I'm always seeing the people who is really happy, and they are just always they feel like अरे ये 1 घंटा ना मेरे को पता ही नहीं चला मेरे tensions and worries क्या थे. So that's the main thing. First, to release this one, and it's helping to maintain the blood pressure level. So that's really good, and I have so many people, they are doing from years, and they are getting very good results, and they are very happy with the results, and they are suggesting even the friends also, अरे ये कर, तेरे से बहुत फायदा होगा इससे. So of course it helps a lot. It helps a lot.
Yeah. Even it might affect sleep. It might give you a better sleep also.
Sorry.
Will it also help sleep disorders? So people who are not able to relax, and because of some stress are not able to sleep, does it help those people as well?
Yes. Is helping, definitely. And the improve the daily living. Actually आपण जसं म्हणतो ना, म्हणजे what I told you की जे regular, for the consistency in each and every workout, each and every exercise is very important. If you do for months or 2 months and then I say no, then I cannot do, then nothing is going to happen. At least you have to give 3 months for each and every type of mode of exercise to see the results, and then you can talk about. Okay, so the people who are just doing regularly, and of course the 45 minutes workout for each and every person compulsory. जब तक ये बंद नहीं होता है तब तक एक्सरसाइज करना है, नहीं तो अपना जो बैलेंस रहता है ना बॉडी का बैंक बैलेंस, वो बहुत डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है. So better you just keep doing the exercise whatever you like. This one is aqua is one of the exercise, one of the mode of exercise. I'm not saying everyone do this. The only the benefit of different exercise are different. So here what I'm saying, the improve the daily living. Okay, so longer you can stay longer and live better. Okay, harder to improve their stamina and endurance, muscle endurance अतिशय चांगला. What I said, तुमचे all over constant you are in the water, तो काय the resistance throughout असतो. With if you want, or if you said no, I don't want to do anything, don't do. If you stand also, your core muscles are getting contracted. You're stabilizing there, otherwise you cannot stand. Okay, so they are anyways they are doing the work. So that's one of the best benefit. काय काय वाटतं ना, नाही बाप मला नाही हालचाल करायची, I'll stand only. होईल का? Of course होईल. So that is also there. Some people, few people are like a beginners. If they are standing, I said, don't worry. If you stand for a while, no problem. Still you are working, your core muscles are working. So that's why. And what I say, the range of motion and functional fitness. I'm just always talk about this, and that's very important. Functional fitness means you are train your muscles to work together, you know, and prepare them for daily task. आपल्याला मी आता खूप वेळ उभं राहिले, माझे पाय दुखतात, माझे गुडघे दुखतात, किंवा मी वाकले ऑल सडन माझं बॅक दुखायला लागली आहे, की वॉटेवर जे आपल्याला प्रॉब्लेम्स येतात इन डेली रुटीन, इन डेली वर्क मध्ये, म्हणजे वी समटाइम्स यू रिअली फील, अरे मी एवढंसं फक्त थोडीशी वाकले, एवढं काय झालं मला, लगेच मला कशी चमक आली, लगेच मला कसं आलं. So this aqua exercise, because what I said, we are working each and every muscle, not only the major, even the minor muscle are very important. आपण ते नेहमीच्या एक्सरसाइज मध्ये त्याला एवढं इम्पॉर्टन्स देत नाही, but there are so many minor muscles. You know the muscles are more than 600 in your body. So त्यावेळेला काय होतं, we are working on each muscle. So what happened, they can work together very well. Whatever the task you want to do in your daily routine, your muscles are prepared to do the work together. आपल्याला मसल आता क्वाड्रिसेप्स म्हणजे त्याला आपलं 4 मसल, बायसेप मध्ये 2 मसल्स. सो ते मेजर मसल्स आहेत, त्याच्याबरोबर मायनर मसल्स आहेत. तर एखादा मसल स्ट्रॉंग होतो एका एक्सरसाइजनी, पण त्याच एक्सरसाइजनी दुसरा मसल स्ट्रॉंग होत नाही. देन दैट टाइम व्हाट यू थिंक, अरे इट्स मैं तो एक्सरसाइज कर रहा हूँ, मैं तो बाइसेप कर्ल्स मार रहा हूँ, ये कर रहा हूँ, but there are different multi-directional things we are not doing. But basically in the water you can do so many multi-directional moves. म्हणजे आपल्याला कळत पण नाही, अरे हात असा पण जाऊ शकतो का, this range of my shoulder joint, is that I can do this. So even the outside it's not possible, there are so many things not possible. I'm not doing the comparison of the exercise, but the thing is whatever the benefits and what is the special thing, whatever you can do here. Okay, so that is there. So that's why I'm saying the functional fitness is very very important. आपल्याला काय प्रत्येक वेळी जाऊन कुठे ब्युटी कॉन्टेस्ट मध्ये किंवा आपल्याला मसल्स दाखवायला उभं नाही राहायचंय, पण माझं डेली रुटीन इफ आय डू इट इझिली विदाउट एनी रिस्क, माझा डेली टास्क जर मी छान करू शकत असले, माझा स्टॅमिना जर दिवसभर छान असेल, इट मीन्स यू डिड रिअली गुड एक्सरसाइज. आणि ह्या दॅट्स वाय दिस एक्सरसाइज इज अमेझिंग. So I'm requesting all of you, whenever the pool will start, I'll definitely ask Rudrakshi to join and we'll do one class, or we can continue also later on. So that is there. So that's what I said, it's functional fitness. And here you are in the water exercise. What happens if you see the aerobics class, the most of people are like doing the only legs, you know, lower extremities, and arms la movement detas nahi. But here in the water, if you want to balance yourself, you have to move your arms. आपण स्कलिंग करतो किंवा आपण पुशिंग करतो, वॉटर ब्रेस्ट स्ट्रोक्स करतो, किंवा वॉटरला आपण ही मुवमेंट देतो, टू मूव हिअर, टू मूव देअर. त्यामुळे अपर एक्स्ट्रीमिटीज या ऑलवेज इन्वॉल्व. युअर नाइसली युअर बॅक मसल, शोल्डर मसल, your shoulder girdle, even your lat, everyone, each and every muscle, your pecs, your, you know, so you're working even the arms muscle, bicep, triceps. So that is the one thing which is very good. And even the sports is really good for a sports person, कारण त्यांना सुद्धा specific muscles असतात. They really we even don't know sometimes की अरे हा पण मसल आहे आणि हा इथे situated आहे. So they are really working very good on those muscles, which one is required, special मसल्स. आता बॅडमिंटनसाठी किंवा व्हॉलीबॉलसाठी किंवा तुमचं किकिंगवाला आपला फुटबॉलसाठी. सो त्यांच्यासाठी त्यांना ते स्पेसिफिक मसल्स असतात. दे हॅव टू वर्क ऑन देम. सो हिअर यू कॅन वर्क ऑन दिस. इवन आय हर्ड अबाउट की हे जे रेसमध्ये धावणारे घोडे असतात ना, इवन त्यांना सुद्धा ट्रेनिंग पाण्यात देतात. दे आर जस्ट टेकिंग देम टू द पूल. त्यांचे जे स्पेसिफिक असतात ते, आणि त्याच्यात त्यांना ट्रेनिंग देतात. त्यामुळे त्यांचा स्टॅमिना पण वाढतो दिस रन दिस वन रेसमध्ये. सो दॅट इज ऑल्सो द वन थिंग. अँड दॅट्स वाय द वॉटर एक्सरसाइज इज रिअली गुड. अँड कोर स्टॅबिलिटी. बेसिकली सगळे जे प्रॉब्लेम्स असले, मोस्ट ऑफ द प्रॉब्लेम्स आर occurred because of your core stability is not good. Your core muscles are not strong. Core muscles, when we are talking about core muscles, म्हणजे आपलं abdominal muscle, आपले low back muscle, and even the side, your pelvic सगळं all over your pelvic ला लागून जे सगळे मसल्स आहेत त्याला म्हणतो आपण कोर. तर ही कोर स्टॅबिलिटी खूप वाढते. जसं मी सांगितलं होतं, तुम्ही नुसतं इफ यू स्टँड इन द वॉटर, एनी हाव युअर कोर मसल्स आर गेटिंग कॉन्ट्रॅक्टेड. अँड एक्सरसाइज मीन्स व्हॉट? एक्सरसाइज मीन्स मसल कॉन्ट्रॅक्शन. When you're contracting your muscle, this is called exercise. When you're contracting more and more, if you means you're doing harder and harder exercise. Okay. And this one, when you're making your muscle harder, you're contracting well, you're making your muscles more and more stronger. So that is also one of the best thing. Yeah, and the water resistance, what I said, so constant, we are just working against the water resistance. That point also we are covered. And the last point is feel good factor. सो पाण्यामधनं ना कोणाला बाहेरच यावंसं वाटत नाही. म्हणजे माझा क्लास संपला की जनरली काय होतं, वेन यू आर गोइंग फॉर एक्सरसाइज, यू फील ओ माय गॉड, आय हॅव टू जस्ट डू फॉर अ आवर एनी हाव. द ट्रेनर इज देअर. आता मला ट्रेनर सोडणार नाही, बापरे मला आज कंटाळा आला. किंवा इट डिपेंड्स अगेन द विंटर आणि समर मध्ये सुद्धा आपल्याला ते घामाघूम झालं, यू फील लाईक स्वेटिंग अँड ऑल, देन यू फील अरे यार लिव्ह इट, आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू डू. But in the water, I always see the people, they are just, after I'm finishing the class, after an hour, they keep saying, ah, yaar, khatam ho gaya kya? Hame aur karna hai. So that is there. So it's a feel good factor. You are creating the happy hormones. Your muscles are very happy. And the nice, if you put the nice music, putting the nice music, then the people are enjoying. And even it's a group activity basically. But I have so many members who are doing, I'm doing personal training. Because if I do personal training, they are getting, the personalized programs. I'm designed the programs for specific, the body type. त्यांचं काय body type असते किंवा त्यांचा goal असतो, requirement असते. So this one is good for them. And the body आपण जे type म्हणतोय, so actually this exercise is for everyone, कुठलाही body type असू दे. And the main benefit is whenever you feel थोडंसं आपण overweight असू, हे असं, तर आपल्याला थोडंसं लाज वाटते ना बाहेर. Even the jumping jacks, some, थोडेसे jumping वाले, hopping वाले, so you feel like you're not feeling comfortable. पण पाण्यात गेल्यानंतर तुम्हाला कोणीच बघत नाही आणि काहीच नाही, म्हणजे आपल्याला स्वतःला आपलं वेट रिअलाइज होत नाही. त्यामुळे यू एन्जॉयिंग द एक्सरसाइज लाईक एनिथिंग. अँड दॅट्स वाय इट्स अ फील गुड फॅक्टर. अँड जस्ट that's the thing. Now you ask me the questions, I'm trying to cover the subject, so you get little idea about the exercise, and practically if you do, then you get more idea about this. So I hope you
Thank
can.
you, ma'am. Thank you. We can have some questions from the participants.
Yeah,
Any
sure.
experiences?
Good evening. Good evening, Rajendra here.
Yes, Rajendra sir.
Yes, Rajendra.
Yeah. Your chair aerobics was excellent. I
Thank
have
you.
heard of chair exercises, but not aerobics. This is the first time I'm,
Sure.
I've experienced chair aerobics, and
Correct.
it was really nice. So, and secondly, coming to this, your aqua exercises,
Yeah.
normally I also go for swimming once in a while in our club, and I also do some basic walking and running and jumping. But your explanation of other benefits was really excellent. And I remember the only other advantage is that, even though you sweat, you don't feel the sweating.
True.
That is the best
one
benefit,
point, good said. And the one more point I just want to tell you, आपल्याला वाटतं की डिहायड्रेशन होत नाही कारण मी पाण्यात आहे, पण तसं नाही. डिहायड्रेशनचे चान्सेस असतात. ऑलवेज आय कीप टेलिंग, थोडं सिप करायचं, पाणी प्यायचं थोडं.
Correct. No, I just want to understand, especially for newcomers who want to experience aqua, exercises. Some
Right.
people, they have the phobia, water phobia. They have the fear of water.
Yeah.
So how do you motivate? And number two is, some people, they have they are prone to cold and all these other ailments. So
Okay.
for those people, what is the remedy? And third is tanning, especially the women. In the if you are doing pool in the pool, for example, because of the chlorination and all that, they
Yeah.
have the fear of this tanning. In
Correct.
you know,
Correct. Correct.
so these three things, how do you manage to
Correct.
motivate the people?
Correct. Correct. So especially काय होतं actually whenever the person is called, कुठेतरी त्यांना ते कळतं mouth publicity and all whatever, and somewhere they started feeling की I want to try this also because of the friend circle मध्ये वगैरे, मग त्यांना असं वाटतं की आपण try करूया. And then first when they call me about this to inquire about this exercise, तो पहिलाच जो माझा जो इतका जो आता मी जसं बोलते तसं मग I'm just थोडंसं hypnotize करते त्यांना because
Neeru ma'am, can
that he really wanted to do. And wherever he just asked me or called me, so that time somewhere I am sure that this person wanted to do. Okay, and then I give them the entire, whatever I can give the information, I can try to convince them, because I know whenever they start this exercise they will be very happy. And the second point what I said, whenever they are coming in a group class, my core group, my co-members of the group, they are giving very comfort to that person, they are motivating that person very well. And after 2 3 sessions that person can started doing the exercise without any phobia and without any problem. So your second question, I'm so sorry, I just
Prone to cold and other any ailments of the body. They
uh,
have water, when they enter water, they
hmm,
have that, they are prone to cold and
yeah, 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 yeah,
other, some other
yes, 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 yes.
ailments
See,
maybe, that is
sometimes
the fear.
correct, 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 correct. So basically, the basically what happened whenever you are start doing any type of exercise, आपल्याला body ache, so it's the muscle pain and the body ache, it's a very natural. Okay, that soreness in the muscles is very natural. So even and the person who is see, mostly what happened, the person who is wanted to start the class is really yeah, they are starting in the summer only,
Okay.
so not in a winter. So whenever they are coming in the summer, the few sessions they really feel like कि I feel like cold, मुझे थोड़ा सा ठंड लग रहा है, मुझे ये हो रहा है. But I always keep telling them, you just go beyond that. Just give little time. Body temperature को अभी थोड़ा सा adjust करने में time जाएगा. So just give little time, and that there are so many benefits. There are so many good things are there. Benefits are more. So just give little time to your body. Just be there. Patience रखो थोड़ा सा, and then you can start doing exercise. So I'm telling you 99% give up nahi karte hai. थोड़ा भी उनको cold हो जाए, थोड़ा भी उनको कोई problem हो जाए, they are continuing the class because
Okay.
they
Okay.
really started loving this.
No,
Yeah.
the best part is that tanning. People, especially women, when
Hmm,
you say you are starting mainly in the summer
yeah,
time,
yeah,
so
yeah,
the tanning is more often, and it is, it is
yes,
possibility in
yes,
the
yes.
swimming pool, especially because of the chlorination and all this.
Right.
So how do we treat the tanning?
You'll get such a good body tone after this exercise. So the person, who is really wanted to do good exercise and is really like to see the toned body, they love to do this exercise. And the tanning, if you say tanning, I'll suggest there are so many good this one creams or whatever. Otherwise, they are doing in the shadow side for us. Otherwise, they are doing in the evenings. But some few people are only little creeping करता है. Otherwise, ज़्यादा लोग creeping नहीं करते. But उनको जो पता चलता है, अरे ये तो बस है यार, मैं ये क्रीम लगा लूँ, वो क्रीम लगा लूँ, और if I take more care about my skin and all. So this is like a very normal, and it's like nothing is like. So if the exercise, good exercise happening with me, I'm ready to bear this loss also.
Because I know in our club, many people, even they know swimming, they don't get into a pool in
And
summertime because they have the fear of their complexion.
complexion and rashes also sometimes. It
Yeah, yeah.
depends on the pool, how they maintain the pool and all. I have to take care about this, and I just with the management and all. I'll always keep watching the chlorine level and everything. That work I have to keep doing. And some people are, and nowadays we are getting nice full, the swimming costumes which you can
Yeah, yeah.
cover well. And
Correct.
There's so many good companies. They are giving all UV protected costumes. So and the creams also, whatever say. So basically, there are so many remedies or so many good things are there which you can protect yourself well.
Okay.
So that is also take little time. थोड़ा सा मैं जैसे बोल रही हूँ कुछ लोगों को अगर करना ही है तो वो ज्यादा सोचते नहीं है. So that is there. But what your point is, that's very true. Otherwise, मम्मी evening classes घेते कि at least sun बरोबर नको. And most of the time, sun आणि हे pool चं थोडंसं combination is giving you the trouble. There is no
Yes.
doubt about. अब मी असं नाही म्हणत की होतच नाही. But the thing is, they are just giving little. Otherwise, we change the timings and all. So
Okay.
they are
Thank
giving the
you.
options.
Thank you very much,
Thank
madam.
you. Thank you.
So
Thank you,
ma'am, you're
ma'am.
trying to
Thank
say
you.
where there is a will, there is a way.
Thank you. Any more
Thank you
questions?
so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
So,
So yes, Priya ma'am. Yes.
oh,
yes.
are we? No, I just
No, go ahead.
just wanted to tell you, I've been doing aqua aerobics for the last few years. For the first time, I did almost 17, 18 years ago, here only at the Banir, the
Sonia
Sanjay
Chandra-
residence, Sonia Chandrachud.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
now
yeah.
we do with Sonia, every year, missing it last 2 years.
Okay.
And so obviously because of the buoyancy and all, you overdo and you get to do so much. But the minute you step out of the pool, you really get to know all this was trailer and your real weight hits you. I mean, you feel so heavy after you come out.
Yeah. After
But the good thing, because Rudrakshi asked this question about diabetics and hypertension. So I don't know about hypertension, but diabetics, after you do aqua aerobics, I still had panha and mangoes and all the summer goodies, and the sugar levels in general are pretty stable if you're doing aqua aerobics. And in general, I do other exercises also, so I always felt it was very beneficial. But one thing, the groin opening was a challenge with me. So with aqua aerobics, it really helped. And
Very-
forget whether I'm
very
doing
good.
aerobics or not. I just do a lot of tricks in the pool.
Correct.
And
Groin's range of motion is increased like anything.
yes.
The arthritis people, it helps a lot.
Yeah. And the best thing is I can't do Shirsasan without ropes. I need
Okay.
props to do Shirsasan.
Mhm,
But
mhm.
in the swimming pool, I can do Shirsasan without anything.
Wow.
So that was a big thing.
Amazing.
For just less than probably 20 seconds, but I get a
Of
kick out
course,
of
but
it.
that position you are maintaining
Yes.
for a while,
Yeah.
that is
yeah.
also very creditable. Creditable.
Yeah. So that is excellent. And it's really, it's great fun. And it's excellent. You just sleep like a log. Having one with you soon.
A person
Yeah.
has to take care
Really.
and guide them proper.
We would love to have a session actually in a pool with you,
Yes.
Niru ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you
Yes,
so
yes,
much.
yes.
Thank you so much for being here.
All in pool.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you
you,
so
Suvarna,
much.
for introducing Niru ma'am to all of us.
Yeah,
A big
thank
thanks
you,
to Suvarna. Thank you
Yeah,
so
thanks
much.
to Suvarna. Yes.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone. Have
Have
a
a
good
great,
Thank
weekend.
you.
weekend.
Yes.